morning, students. Today we will solve numericals based on Nernst equation. So the first question is, calculate electrode potential of given cell at 298 Kelvin. Magnesium gives magnesium ion, concentration is given, then salt bridge, then copper electrode. E naught, that is standard reduction potential of copper electrode, is given as 0.34 volt. And electrode potential of magnesium ion is given as magnesium electrode is given as minus 2.36 volt. Now first step will be, you have to write given. So here E naught copper ion, that is standard reduction potential value, is given to you. Similarly, that of magnesium is also given to you. Now you have to write the cell Mg. In this case, Mg gives Mg2 plus ion. It means Mg, when gives Mg2 plus ion, then 2 electrons will be added to this side. Since this involves loss of electron, therefore it is called as oxidation, and this reaction will occur at anode. Similarly, copper ion gives copper. So copper ion will take 2 electrons, gain of electron will be there, and therefore it is reduction, that is cathode. Now when we add these two half cell reactions, we get Mg plus Cu2 plus ion gives Mg2 plus ion plus Cu. This is overall cell reaction. Now you have to write Nernst equation. Nernst equation is E cell equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 N log product upon reactant. Product is magnesium ion and copper, while reactant is magnesium and copper ions. Since solids have constant concentration, so need not to take copper and magnesium which are in solid state. So take only ions, Mg2 plus ion upon copper 2 plus ion. Now substitute the values. The most important thing is, since this cell is working at 298 Kelvin, therefore we are directly using the formula 0.059 upon N. Otherwise, we have to use 2.303 RT over NF in place of 0.059. Now E naught cell you can calculate by the E naught reduction values. E naught reduction of now we have to calculate standard electrode potential of the cell, which is equal to E naught cathode minus E naught anode. Since cathode is copper electrode, therefore the value 0.34, which is given in the question, and anode is magnesium, whose value is minus 2.36. When we will solve it, then we get 2.70 volt. Now substitute this value in Nernst equation. So electrode potential of the cell will be equal to 2.70 minus 0.059 upon N. N is the number of moles of electrons involved in the reaction. So balanced electrons are 2. So N equal to 2. Log concentration of magnesium ion is already given in the question, 0.001 molar, and that of copper ion is 0.0001. Now solve it. 2.70 minus 0.0295 log, it comes out to be 10, and since log 10 is 1, So it is 2.70 minus 0.0295, which is equal to 2.6705 volt. So this is the answer. One most important point while solving these numericals, which are based on Nernst equation, is that E naught cell should always be positive. If E naught cell comes out to be negative, then cell will not function. So whenever you solve the numericals, always keep in mind that E naught cell should always be positive.